once you know how to create your first course, you can create course after course after course. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Let's get it. Some party peeps, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. And today's topic is you can create more than one course, just not yet, okay? So let's get into it. If you don't know what we do here, we talk all things premium courses, whether they be online or face-to-face, as well as how you can start to package your expertise, your knowledge, your lived experiences into the format of luxury coaching and mentorship programs. So let's talk about it today. Because I know as high performers, high achievers, you have so many ideas, right? For products, for services. We are multi-hyphenated individuals as high performers. We constantly have new downloads, new ideas about how we can help more people, how we can reach more people, and also continue to walk in our purposes. And so with that being said, with all of these ideas for courses floating around, I know that a lot of folks, when they come to work with me, they're like, I don't know which topic to pick first. Okay. So first things first, pro tip for your courses, you don't need to learn something new in this moment before you start creating a course. You can create your courses based on what it is that you know right now. Okay. And then as you continue to grow, as you continue to live life a little bit and experience more related to your online course topic, then you can start to create additional courses. So one of my students, clients, Mia, says it so perfectly, and I'm going to post her testimonial shortly later today. But she said, I feel like I have the keys. She's like, once you know how to create your first course, you can create course after course after course. And that is absolutely true. You just need to focus on the first one. Okay, so when I say you can create multiple courses, that's true, just not yet. If you're just getting started, you want to place all your focus and energy and time into creating your first course. That way you start to understand more about how to teach from what you know and not just give the advice, right? It's a different type of thing. So it's giving advice in passing, and it's likely that you're going to be creating, pro tip, a course based on a lot of the advice that you consistently give. So if you're a person who someone is always coming up to you and asking you about a particular topic or a specific thing, it's likely that your course should be heading in that direction, because that's the thing that people already trust your knowledge with, your expertise, and that's the authority that you currently stand in. Okay, so more on that inside of additional episodes on this channel. By the way, if you are not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notification, so you know when more episodes like this drop and we can hang out live. What's going on, Evan? It's good to see you on. Good morning, evening, afternoon. Let me know what time it is where you are currently watching from. I always like to see the global reach of these episodes. I appreciate y'all for being here. And so you can create multiple courses. I just need you to focus in, especially for your first course, on what it is that you are creating initially. Understanding how your audience and your customers and clients and students who enroll in your program are going to be moving through the courses is pivotal. Okay, it is critical, and is pivotal to how you create the rest of your courses. So for instance, one of my clients and students, Taydana, she created a course about saving, right? Like how you can save more money. In addition, she started creating courses about not necessarily accounting, but she started creating courses, and the actual title is like slipping my mind. I'll have to put it inside of the description once we hop off. But she started creating courses basically that would help people manage their money better. Okay. And then from there, she started to understand her audience. So she started to create additional courses because her audience was like, we want to go to the next level. We want to go start to talk about how to advance, not just managing our money, but how we can grow our money. And so she started to create additional courses for them based on investing and trading and all those different things. Same thing with another one of my clients and mentees, Chanel. Chanel created her first course for nonprofit newbies. So she was creating courses that would help people start their nonprofits. From there, she started to see that her students needed additional courses. So she started to create more courses that would help her students continue to grow, such as how do I get grant funding, okay, and keep grant funding. I had another client who did the same thing, right? Like something similar, but she was more focused on helping religious leaders, okay, to keep the status of their nonprofits. That's a real thing. So when I say niche down, I mean niche down. And when she first came to me, She was like, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. She's like, our nonprofit religious leaders, a group of people, like, is it gonna be too niche, too small? Like, how am I gonna reach people? And she has been extremely successful. Okay, so her first, I think, like within 3 days, she did $2,500, and then she turned around and booked like 2 more people that same day. And so, charging premium prices, pro tip, is important. Okay, it'll help you get to your goals faster, but it also help you connect with and make the deeper impact that I talk about all the time on this channel. What's going on, Evans in Georgia? What's up, Olivia? Hey girl, I love the energy this morning. Good to see you. And then we have more folks joining. I appreciate y'all being on here this morning. I needed to bring that really quickly. Again, you can create as many courses as you want to. You just need to learn the blueprint first. And it helps when you focus in on one, okay? And this is with anything that you're learning that's new, right? You focus in on that one thing, stay locked in, and then once you understand the process, you can create course after course after course after course. Like, there is no end, and you'll start to create them like this. And that really is the key for premium courses as well. You're not creating one-off courses, you're creating a program, okay? A luxurious experience for the people that are coming into your world, because you want them to have sustainable transformation, not just a result some of the time. All right, if you're interested in getting started, go to jumpfirstacademy.org. Again, it's jumpfirstacademy.org. There you're going to see a free training that's going to walk you through each and every step of how you can get this done, from choosing your topic to understanding your audience, creating your content, and starting to scale. There are free resources as well as paid, and you know I always say paid will help you go faster, okay? Because you start to implement immediately. Again, jumpfirstacademy.org is where you want to go to get started. I love y'all so much. I hope this inspires you and moves you forward. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notifications so you know when more episodes like this drop. And I'll see y'all back here tomorrow. Bye, y'all.